Hey guys, this is Ryan with Cars Remember When. I got another one for you here today. This is a 1967 Pontiac GTO in Signet Gold. Absolutely beautiful car. Excellent running and driving vehicle. It's been well maintained. It's had the same owner for the last 20 years and he has taken great care of it. He's done some nice subtle upgrades. It's got an electric fuel pump, 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor, and it just runs and drives fantastic. I'm gonna hop in, fire it up for you. This car is equipped with air conditioning. It has been converted to R134A and it works really well. It blows very cold. It's a nice system. Also got heat that works well too. Dual gate his and her shifter. This is optioned with the first year for the 3-speed automatic in the GTO, the turbo 400 transmission. Got our 242 VIN number there. Listen to this motor, it just runs like a top. Very quiet, great power, starts easily. Power brakes, power steering, factory air conditioning, Hood Tach. This was a very highly optioned GTO. A lot of the factory vacuum components are all still hooked up and not messed with. As you can see here, the AC compressor is engaging, which means it's going to blow cold air. And now it turned it off. So that's exactly how you want it to work. And this is a factory Signet Gold car. That G there you see is for that color. All the chrome, trim, bright work shows very well. It's in excellent shape. Body lines are very sharp, straight. Gaps on the hood, doors, trunk lid line up and fit nicely. Black vinyl top is in excellent shape. Gotta love that dual exhaust system. Tires are a BF Goodrich radial. They appear to be from 2016. Still plenty of life left. A couple small chips up here from being driven. This car is driven regularly, which is what you want in a classic. But pretty minor. All right, we're gonna hop in and go for a quick test drive. Car's got a great feel to it, very tight. The brakes work really well and straight. Does downshift via the pedal. The ride and drive of this car is absolutely perfect. One of the nicer driving GTOs we have had in the showroom. So if you're interested in this car, please go to our website. We're going to have about 80 high-resolution pictures posted, including ones of the undercarriage. And feel free to give us a call for any additional details you might want. Thanks for watching.